Let's see how to change the background, color of cells, rows and columns in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to change the background color of this table. What we can do is click on the table, and that will open up two new tabs right here at the top. Now click on Table Design, and right here, you can see the shading option, and that will allow you to change specific parts of each cell to change the color. And what that will look like is that, for example, we want to change all of these at the top to the color black. And we want to change right here the other ones to the color gray. And as you can see, we already changed the background color for both cells and rows for this table. Now, another method you can do if you want to change it to a picture for the table background is click on Insert and insert your picture. Now click on Text Wrapping and set it behind text. Now make sure that you change the transparency so that when you move it behind the table, you can still see the text. Now let's just make a few changes to this picture. Let's change the transparency, make it a bit lighter. Now let's crop this picture to fit the table's dimensions. And as you can see, we have now a picture for our table background. And that is how you can change the background of a table in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.